Welcome to today's analysis on EURUSD currency pair. This overview will shed some light what happened on the market this week and what could happen next week. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. Let's go. In the previous analysis we have talked about 1.03920 as a potential still target for the price, and this was this end of the week from the previous week, and this is the Monday of this week. What happened is the price has opened with a gap from Friday and the price returned back up inside this range area. So this range area is currently the same scenario as we had here at the start of the May, so almost 2 months ago. And in that case the price has stayed for a while, almost 2 weeks, until the breakout has happened to the lower side. Now the price, what we can see here is the price returned on a Monday, reaching higher levels from the past week, and then on Tuesday making a pin bar. It is a bearish pin bar, but it's not located on the right spot to make it as a valid pin bar. If it was formed here, it would be much more significant signal for the bears, but this pin bar formation in this scenario was not so important. We see that the price reached higher levels, reaching 1.05825 as a resistance level and bouncing down, reaching again 1.05087 as a support level. And the price the rest of the week has bounced between these two levels. On Wednesday we can see that the price tried to break out on the lower side and also on the upper side, but it could not close the price and close the day above or below this range area. We see that the price has closed the day above previous candles close, and also it was above previous candles in this previous range area. So it was a signal, as I have mentioned in the previous analysis, that this is the price level that needs to be broken and closed today to be as a signal to reach the price on the higher levels. But the price could not close above on the next day, above this 1.05825 resistance level. Instead it moved down back inside the range area and then trying to reach a lower levels, but it's not lower than this starting candle on Monday. The price closed back inside the range area, and on a Friday we have an inside candle that could not close above or below previous candles. So this range area from here to here this week is the price in which the price has jumped around but could not find any strength, or the buyer strength or the seller strength, to push the price outside. So this currently is indecision area for the price, and we need to wait until the price makes a breakout to the upside or to the downside. If we take a look on a weekly time frame, we can see that the price is still in the bearish mode, because we have still weekly candles that are showing the price will move further down, and then we have also on the upper side we can see that the week could not close above previous week candles close. So this is also not a signal that the price will move quickly to the upside to reach higher levels, but it is bound inside this range area. On the lower side we can see that on the weekly time frame the price has found a lower prices compared to the previous weeks. What we can see here, the lowest price was slightly below the lowest weekly price here. And if we take a look on a monthly time frame, we can see that there is a still possibility that this month, the next week, will close below previous week, and it will suggest further move down. But we need to wait until the week ends. We will see what will happen. If we return on the daily time frame, the next what we can wait is the breakout. The breakout can happen to the upside, and 1.05825 is acting as a slightly strong, relatively strong resistance level But on the lower side, 1.05087 is much stronger support than the resistance above. So if the price manages to close above 1.05825, the next resistance is 1.06736, which is not acting as a strong resistance. We can see here in the last attempt when the price has moved to the upside, the price did not find any strong resistance here, but it moved slightly to the next resistance, 1.07825. So if the price manages to close here above this resistance level, we could see the price reaching higher levels, and this means almost above 1.06736. But we'll need to see how the price will move. On the lower side, if we see the price breaking below this supply zone and reaching lower levels, the 1.03920 is still strong support for the price. And if it manages, we will see the price bouncing back up and maybe staying for a while before reaching lower levels, 1.02975, which was also mentioned in the previous analysis as a final seller's target. For the entry levels, it is quite good to wait outside of the market and lower the risk, because the current range area shows us that there is no selling pressure or buying pressure that is much stronger than other that will push the price in any direction. So it is smart to wait until the price makes a breakout, but wait and watch out for the false breakout like this in this example, and this is the small example where you need to wait until the price breaks out from the range area, and on the next day the price must confirm that breakout, which means not closing back inside the range area. If it breaks outside, you need to wait for the breakout to be confirmed, reaching here the lower levels or higher levels, or below if it breaks out to confirm with the next candle on the lower levels. If it returns back inside the range area, it will mean the false breakout, so you need to wait until the breakout is confirmed to verify the breakout as a valid one. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading!